Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat ke Sangma ne dawai ya ka Mallangkona Police Outpost ka WM West Khasi Hills DWM lang usumbut Menteri Rangba Preston Tensong armo min MLA ke DGP ke Meghalaya ke Ida Shisha Nongrang ugi kur merthong MDC wa ki wide ki he sarkar kachnat pulin Ukonrat da ongu wa ichangan ki wa chong ke jala to IWM kamdu ya ka sarkar wa ki pait ke Mallangkona da dawa ki wa ya ka Police Outpost das lembha wa DWM gani ha ki thau khaput wa ka Assam to IWM kambha wa ka sarkar da le ga le wa pan bai no sa yakin rudali ki thau wa ya khajia put wa ka Assam Depan tibu wa gani ka Mallangkona Police Outpost da chnalang ba ka PIRF fund ka wakat ni debu hawaro ki Superintendent of Police yo ye ki wo pen kam yo pen chna ye wa da si da jen da ye ro ule ye ki wa chhnong ki wa da wan chakmat yo kreh hadu wo pynbiang ye ki tiar gitar wa kam de wa pen rap wa gani man ga nong muna ye ki wi wo bot ki Kani ka Mallangkona Police Outpost to ko wada bu nang kong house nem arhajar khat khande wedai wa pelut khat nyau point san lang da ye wo chna ya kani ka yung wa thame hapo ka Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund scheme chnong Mallangkona ka wa hapo ka Mountain Road Civil Subdivision
So we are here in Mallangkona today, and as you've seen, we have just inaugurated the new building of the Mallangkona Outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security of our people is important, and that's why we have all come here to be part of this program. And we want to show that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. So I congratulate our Honorable Deputy CM in charge Home Police and all the officials who have made this project a success. Thank you very much.